Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing well and welcome to the Mastercam the complete course. As you know, we have completed the module number 1, which is all about the introduction to Mastercam and interface, and we have covered the topic Mastercam introduction, Mastercam 2023 downloading and its installation. We have downloaded the free version of Mastercam, and we know that we have covered the topic of Mastercam 2023 user interface, and the last topic is all about the CAD tools and design. So now it's time to test your knowledge. So on my screen you'll see few multiple choice questions, and what you have to do is you have to pick the right answer to the question. So let's get started. So the first question is, Mastercam 2023 is a tool. Option A is CAD tool. Option B is CAM tool. Option C is CAD CAM tool. Option D is none of them. So the right answer to this question is option C, CAD CAM tool. So let's move towards the other question. Which area of the Mastercam user interface typically displays the graphic representation of the part you are working on? Option A, Toolpath Manager. Option B, Graphics Window. Option C, Operations Manager. Option D, Ribbon Bar. So the right answer to this question is option B, Graphics Window. Now let's move towards the another question. Which area of the Mastercam interface provide access to various machining strategies and toolpath operations? Option A, Graphics Window. Option B, Operations Manager. Option C, Ribbon Bar. Option D, Toolpath Manager. So the right answer to this question is option D, Toolpath Manager. So the next question is, what is the purpose of the Operations Manager in the Mastercam? Option A, to manage toolpaths and machining operations. Option B, to adjust machine setting. Option C, to preview the final part rendering. Option D, to import external CAD files. So the right answer to the question is option A, to manage toolpaths and machining operations. Now let's move towards the last question of this module. What Mastercam CAD tool is used to create wireframe geometry such as lines, arcs, and splines? Option A, solid modeling. Option B, surface modeling. Option C, wireframe. Option D, sheet modeling. So the right answer to the question is wireframe. So I hope you did well and keep it up. Thank you very much.